Guys, back again with another new video tutorial. In my next video I will tell you about the sound and speaker problem in your device Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the sound of the device or the speaker of the device, you can easily fix it by the method as I will show you in this video. But before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the sound and speaker issues in your device. Let's watch it.